Hey, what's up? What's up? Episode 20 of the MLGs Secret and Clickbank study. Um, Case of going from $0 to $300 a week just using MLGs email list with Clickbank to produce a profit. So my name's Lonnie, and you're at Playbook Mastery. Thank you for being here. If you like the information I'm giving, please hit that like and share button so algorithms can show me a little love and I get a few more people out here to watch it. So anyway, here's how it goes. You get 100 leads per day, and you can use these leads on Clickbank. You can use them on JV Zoom, Digi24, Warrior Plus, and a few other places. But I use these in the eBusiness area because in the eBusiness area, there's a bunch of good products that you can use that can help you build up an income. So that's why I send these leads to that. So anyway, we'll go through it. So like I said, you get the 100 leads per day. It gets drip fed. You get to send out leads every 24 hours. As I keep saying on my other videos, it's important to be consistent. You can only send these out every 24 hours, mainly because they don't want you spamming their list and just basically screw it up for everybody. So if you are able to get 5 people to sign up under you, you get a $100 bonus, and you also get a $5 a month residual. There's some people that are in our group that's doing this, and they have made a significant imprint on what they're doing. So now here's the breakdown. It's a tiered level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are levels that you can make money on your tiers. Scroll down through here, it also shows you some other income facts, some other things that other people have done through this program, and it's pretty simple, to be quite honest. You simply send out an email to the product you're promoting, and then from there they either sign up or they don't sign up, and you just keep on working those emails, and each day it increases. Now here's the thing that I do. It's called link chaining. So originally, like I said, you only get 100 leads per day, but if you link chain each account, and you can only get link chain up one time. So meaning you can chain 1 with 2, and it'll give you 200 leads, 3 with 2, 4 with 3, 5 with 4, and it goes up. Now on your last account, the way I set mine up is I do 2 things. I promote the offer I'm promoting, and I also, in my signature line, promote MLGs. So some people come through there and see it and then sign up and try it out, and then they'll become a part of the program, and then that gives you your additional 200 leads. So that's pretty much how that works. Now going into the email, and pop off any of these today. So what I do with my accounts, I'll choose 10 today. So here's what I do. So I have 10 accounts total. 5 of them I use for my lead gen for this case study that I'm doing, and then the other 5 I do for testing. So how this works is I create an email, and I use the my lead gen, not my lead gen, I use Clickbank's emails here. I use these 20 emails to create my emails here. But I do another little trick where I use ChatGPT to create all of my emails. I use that to create my emails, and then I put those in here. The process that I follow is called PAS, which is problem, agitate, and then solution. So basically right here, so this is how it will work. Let's just assume it's John. Did you know that your laptop plus our secret equals 6 figures? So what that does is that it creates curiosity. And actually, I need to fix this email. That shouldn't be like that. Then after that, it says hello. Then it breaks down into the email. And then I keep the emails pretty short. So like I said earlier, the first one is I want to promote the Clickbank product. Then as we scroll down, I want to promote the MLGs secrets. And what I use to promote this, and I have this in my bio, it's free to use. It's called Signature Hound, and you use this to create your emails. And this is me doing it this way is I've been getting some pretty good results. So it's definitely something that you want to do if you're going to do this here. So then from there, that creates my email and get going after that. So today, so we'll go into what today was looking like. So today, let's go ahead and see what happens. So yesterday I got a sale. Today I haven't gotten any sales yet, and typically that's because I'm starting to get kind of the hang of this thing. So I do a lot of my videos early in the morning, so the day hasn't begun, so the sales haven't come in yet. So anyway, so it could be a sale that comes in later on today, in which I'll post that on Friday and let you guys know about it. But anyway, that's it for today. I want to say this here: if you do decide to go this route and do the MLGs and you sign up under me, hey, feel free to hit me up. Or you can hit me up in the on the channel chat or whatever. I'll help you with your emails, help you get your first couple of them set up. So with that being said, hey, I'll see you on the next one. All right, see you later.